The next mission that we're going to go into is for SumIfs. SumIfs are a math function in Excel that can show you the summation of a particular range of data, and you can add multiple criterias in order to filter that sum for that data. It may sound a little confusing, but I swear once we get into actually executing it, it'll be much more easier. So in terms of SumIf, the formula is pretty easy, but just imagine the SumIf can be used in our data set to find totals of the sales for a particular day or for a particular day date. And it'll be very similar to using a pivot table, except you'll be using an alternative formula, which is why I wanted to show you this alternative way to pivot tables. So to learn SumIfs, we're going to tackle three questions. The first one is we're going to show the total sales of New York and New Jersey using SumIfs. The next one that we're going to tackle is to get a total of all the products sold for prices more than $15. And then we're going to show all the sales over the weekend. So I'll show you exactly how to tackle these with SumIf. The first question that we need to solve for is the total sales of New York and New Jersey using SumIfs. So I'll create a new sheet over here called SumIfs, and we'll start working with the formula. So the formula is equal to sum. You can see Excel gives you an option. Sum, the first range will be, we'll go back to our online retailer sheet, and the first range will be the store name, New York, comma. Now I'll do New York first, so we'll write New York, which is the criteria, NEWYORK, comma, all the sales, which is in the sales column, sales volume column, which is column C, and then we close the bracket. As you can see, that's the total number of sales for New York. So we'll just give it New York sales. And now we need to do the same thing for New Jersey. So we can literally copy and paste that. And in the formula, we just change that from New York to New Jersey. And there we go, New Jersey sales. So it's as easy as that. Once you have the formula written, you can literally copy and paste the formula. So that's the first task. Now let's go into the second one. So our next task was to find the total number of sales for all products costing more than $15. And we'll start writing a formula over here, equal to SumIf. And then now the range will be, we'll go back to our sheet over here. We'll take the price because we need to compare the price. And then we'll write a comma. And then in the price, we'll actually give the criteria. So we need it greater than $15, comma, and then we will give the sales volume because that's what we wanted. There we go. And then we hit enter, and that's your total number of sales for products more than $15. We'll just give it a name, product sales for price more than $15. Cool. And now the last task that we had said we'll do was find the total number of sales over the weekend. Now for this, we need to add in a new column over here because we only have day of week, and to do it in a SumIf will be a little clunky. So I'll actually add in a day number. So you remember the weekday formula we touched on in a previous module? We'll use that. So we'll just make a column day number equal to weekday. And then we'll take the date And there you go. It gives you the week number for that particular sale. So now we can go into SumIf. We do equal to SumIf. And in the range, we will now take day number, comma. So we need the weekend. That technically means we need Saturday and Sunday. So we'll take anything greater than day number 5, which is after Friday. So greater than 5, close the quotes, comma, and now we'll see the sales volume. And we close the bracket. So that's your sales volume on the weekend. Sales volume on the weekend. Cool. So now you've learned how to manipulate data with pivot tables as well as SumIfs. So you can use both of them in your scenarios, and you can use them interchangeably, or you can use them together. So hope you enjoyed. I'll see you in the next module.